What's up guys, Best Man here again. Welcome back to my channel, the Best Man Academy. Now this is where we talk about everything related to the graduate admissions process in the United States and how you can set yourself up for funding. Okay, before I continue, I want to encourage you, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and please share the video with your friends and family or neighbors that could find the information here beneficial for them as well. So today we are going to talk about admission requirements. Now generally there are two places you can find the admission requirements on any university's website in the United States. Now, this video assumes that you have seen my previous video. If you haven't done that, please take a moment to watch that video so that you know how to identify where your interest lies in the United States, because this video assumes that you have done that. Now, like I said earlier, there are two ways you can locate the admission requirements. There will be one on the graduate college website, and also there will be another one on your departmental web page as well. So which one is more important? Generally I would say both are important, so you need to read that of the graduate college because that encompasses all the requirements, like the standard requirements for all programs in any particular university. However, the one I find the most important is that of the graduate of the department. So when you locate your department might have specific requirements that could be sometimes more than that of what is required on the graduate college's web page, and sometimes it could be less than what is required by the graduate college. Most of the time, the departmental's requirements would be the most important because they are the ones that will actually recommend you for admission to the graduate college. Okay, so your application is usually sent to the department. Now the professors there will sit on it and vote to apply or to admit the particular student, or vote to reject the application. So if they vote to admit you, then they send a recommendation to the graduate college for admission. So if you do not fulfill the department's requirements, then your application might be thrown out. So in order to learn how to locate your admission requirements, I would now switch over to the computer. So in order not to waste time, let's go. Now in this video I'm going to use my alma mater as an example, which is Oklahoma State University. And again, most of the things I'm going to show you here can be applied to most other universities' website as well. So let's say Oklahoma State University, and again this assumes that you've watched my last video and you already have an idea of your department of interest or your research interest as well. Okay, so let's say you go to Oklahoma State University. Now, like I said in the last video, all you need to do is to try to go to academics, then you see graduate, so try to locate the graduate college. Again, so what this does is to show you the programs that are offered with their graduate degrees. So let's say you are going for a master's program. So now this takes you to the graduate college website, which lists all the all the departments. Now what you need to do is to find your department What should I use as an example? All right, let's say I'm hoping for a master's in physics. Okay, now this takes you to the Department of Physics website. Okay, now here you would try to find student resources, something that would explain, you can see how to apply. So that's it right there. So what you need to do is to read all this information to kind of see if you are required. You can see documents for application. So we'll talk about all these requirements specifically in another video, and how you can maybe navigate some problems that you might see. So for example, the physics department requires of course your transcript, your CV, a statement of purpose, recommendation letters, and sometimes they would require English proficiency. Most of the time they would require GRE. As you can see, it's required, and they specified the kind of GRE that you should take. So you need to read the department specific program as well. Now you can also find helpful tips on the graduate college's website as well. Now this is the department's website. Okay, so read all the instructions here. The most important requirements that you need to meet are those of the department. Okay, so if the department thinks you are not fit to be admitted, then I bet you the graduate college will most likely not admit you. But there are some useful tips on the graduate college's website as well, so you need to find that as well. So let me go back to that. Oklahoma State University. So again, apart from looking at department specific requirements, you can also try to find requirements for graduate college. So here I went to admissions, graduate admissions. So that will take you to the graduate college's website. And you can see here on the graduate college website, just find a link that says apply or admission or something. Then you would try to read all the information on that page. So most of the time, the graduate college will give you general requirements, maybe the standard for all departments in the schools and in the university. So again, the most important requirements you need to read and fulfill are those that originate from the departmental web page. Okay, so that's it for today. In my next series of videos, I will be going deeper into the qualities you need to look out for in the universities on your list. Remember, I said in my previous video that you need to make a short list of at least 3 universities, okay, or 5 if you want to make it better. Now, in order to start screening out universities, you need to look at certain things, for example, accreditation. And if you are an international student, there are certain things you need to consider as well. So some of these things I'll be making a series of short videos on them in the future. So please, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to share this information with your friends and family. That's it for today. Best Man signing out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.